What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we do have an update on Renzo, also known as REZ, which has pumped up near about 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading just below 0.015 cents, guys. So we'll be going through what is next for Renzo over the coming week, for most of July and also for most of the year. Is it likely to pump up much higher than where it is at the moment, especially with the crypto pump or bull run that is going on right now? Is it worth buying it? Is it too late? Should you sell it before it crashes back down? And looking at short-term and long-term predictions. But before I do that, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button. So, looking at the RSI at the bottom, it is currently at 73.34, which is pretty high as it is above 70, indicating the crypto is slightly more on the overvalued side. And we can see here earlier today it did hit bigger numbers to about just below 0.018 cents, and it did correct itself down to 0.014 right now, and I'm predicting it to drop down a little bit further down to around just below 0.013 cents in value. So again, taking a slight hit. Reason being is the crypto is more on the overvalued side according to the RSI indicator. And to prove that, let's bring out the Bollinger Band, and once again the crypto is trading above the red line, which is the upper band of the Bollinger Band, indicating, as you guys can see here, the red value here is where it's meant to be at, or the highest value is meant to be at. However, it's trading slightly above that, and again indicating a slight price correction coming up for Renzo over the coming hours and in the early hours of tomorrow as well. So do it predict more red candles, slight correction, nothing major. So if we get rid of the Bollinger Band and bring out the MACD indicator on the hourly chart here, we can see the lines are looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Again, this is telling us it's already started to go for a correction. It's likely to last a little bit longer before it goes back up in value. So again, stabilize around its current price range before dropping down a little bit further down just below 0.013 before heading upwards over 0.016, 0.017 towards the weekend and going into next week as well. It should be heading over near about the 2 cents target over the coming week and a half. Going into late July, early August, I am predicting it to head way over the 2 cents value. If we zoom out to the 4-hour chart, we are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. The MACD line is trading above the baseline and the signal line, indicating a bullish movement for the crypto over the next 2 to 3 weeks, going into late July, early August. As mentioned earlier, getting closer up to 0.025 to 3 cents in value is what my current predictions are. Again, if you guys do want regular updates on Renzo, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Zooming out finally to the daily chart, we are looking quite bullish. The blue line is again looking quite positive, so indicating an overall increase in value for Renzo over the next 2 to 3 months going into September, October. Again, how high? I wouldn't be able to tell you right now. Reason being is I'm also predicting Bitcoin to be heading closer to $145,000 in September, October, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. However, if it doesn't, I'm still expecting it to go at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. It is crypto, it is a volatile market, so if you guys do want regular updates on the crypto market, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But at the moment, Renzo is looking quite healthy, quite good. Of course, do expect red candles in between, but the overall outcome at the moment does seem to be more on the positive side compared to how it has been performing. Since last April, it has been a decline in value, indicating that it's still got a lot of room for increases in value, a lot of room for improvements, and that is essentially what's been happening to the crypto market recently. And as mentioned, I'm predicting more green candles across the whole market in general, not specific to Renzo. Again, going here over the last 24 hours, it is up 7%. Over the last week itself, it is up a massive 67%, with major increases here around the 10th and 11th of July, which was just about a week ago, and then dropping back down, heading down towards 0.0, well, just about the 1 cent target before pumping again yesterday and going into today as well. Over the month, it is up 47%. Trading volume right now is up 903%, currently at $361 million. However, the trading volume is likely to go way higher than where it is at the moment, as more and more people are likely to start trading the crypto. So yeah, that is my prediction on Renzo. A lot of people are saying the crypto is likely to hit 10, 20, 30 cents by the end of the year, which unfortunately I am going to have to disagree with, because for it to even hit 10 cents, it will have to go for a major increase in value over the next 4 or 5 months, which I'm not predicting, and it's not sustainable. The highest I'm predicting it to go is around 5 to 6 cents target by max by the end of the year. Let me know your end of year prediction for Renzo. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.